JX-200 is a revolutionary multitasking machine. The shortest tool spindle brings you a large machining space. The tool spindle swings 190 degrees. And its simultaneous machining with a lower turret makes any kind of process possible. Turning, drilling, gear cutting, milling, becomes possible to create any products with this one machine. It realizes stable machining of any material. To achieve this mission, the JX-200 adopted a new column structure, which was optimized the center of gravity and became strengthened against load and pressure from any directions. The JX-200 is filled with our beliefs. The combination of our traditional manufacturing techniques, including Kasage, and state-of-the-art technologies installed in a control panel make a machine. The exterior is also a new design that will stand out in your factory. Easy to use and stylish. The JX-200 will drive forward to expand the possibilities of manufacturing together with you. Change the impossible to possible. JX-200.